Hello. Today in front of me I have this TCL TAB Max device, and in this video we would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on it. So first of all, swipe down from the top part of your display in order for this notification and control center to be launched. Next, find the Wi-Fi shortcut, tap and hold on it. While at the Wi-Fi settings page you want to, first of all choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. In my case I'll go with this HardReset.Info 5G network. After that, tap on the share icon, and in here, as you can see, we'll get the QR code as well as the actual Wi-Fi network password. So you can either manually enter the shown password or scan the QR code and get your device automatically connected. So in front of me I have this Nokia smartphone, so I'll go ahead and open up the built-in Google Lens, so I'll be able to scan the QR code. As you can see, once the QR code gets scanned, I can tap on the Join Network button, and my Nokia smartphone will be successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G Wi-Fi network, as you can see right now. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.